Hello, little buddies! Join us for a delightful storytime adventure where farm animals, zoo animals, and tiny bugs all find themselves in a muddy mess. This fun and engaging tale is perfect for toddlers, combining the excitement of animals with the joy of storytelling. Encourage toddlers to make animal sounds as they follow along with the story, from the cow's moo to the lion's roar. It's a fun way to engage them in the tale. Start the adventure. Unveiling the secrets of the black bears. Black bears are the most common bears in North America and are known for their adaptability and wide range. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including forest, swamps, and mountains. Spotlight on the hyena world. Spotted hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. The aardwolf is a smaller species of hyena that primarily feeds on termites, unlike other hyenas. Let's move on to the next animal, goat. Goats are highly versatile animals. They are raised for various purposes, including meat, milk, fiber, and as pets. And they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs, and vines rather than grass. Goats can be used for vegetation control and they are milk producers. Secrets of the camel kingdom. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available. Storing it in their bloodstream, they are capable of surviving for long periods without water, as they can lose up to 25% of their body weight through sweating without experiencing dehydration. Get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Contrary to popular belief, sheep have good memories. Insights into the hippo adventure. Hippos are social beasts hanging out in groups called schools, bloods, pods, or sieges. Schools of hippos usually consist of 10 to 30 members, including both females and males. A journey of the graceful deer. There are over 60 species of deer found across various parts of the world, including North America, South America, Asia, and North Africa. Only male deer and female reindeer caribou discovering the magic of owl. Owls have strong, curved talons that enable them to grasp and carry their prey with ease. The force of their grip is significant, allowing them to capture prey much larger than themselves. Each owl species has its own distinct hoot, fierce guardians. The role of tiger. The tiger is a rare animal that is essential to the variety and health of an ecosystem at the top of the food chain. It is a top predator. As a result, the existence of tigers in the forest is a sign that the ecology is healthy. Conservation of gorilla habitat. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes, although they are over 10 times stronger than humans. They share 98.3% of their DNA with us, making the gorilla our closest cousin after chimpanzees and bonobos. The allure of donkey dynamics. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. Donkeys communicate with each other through various vocalizations, such as braying. Each donkey has a unique bray. Tales from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kg or more. Uncovering the secrets of fox. Foxes are playful animals and engage in activities that resemble games. This behavior is not only entertaining but also helps them develop essential skills such as hunting and coordination. And foxes are known for their vocalizations. Next animal feature is the horse. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. The thoroughbred is known for its speed and is a popular breed for horse racing. Horses have a unique dental structure. Their teeth continue to grow throughout their lives. And Santa, the life of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia and North America. In North America, reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Let's explore the majestic lion. Lions are part of the big cat genus Panther, which also includes tigers, leopards, and jaguars. They are most commonly associated with the African savanna. Unveiling the mysteries of scorpions. Scorpions are arachnids and have 8 legs like other cousins, spiders, mites, and ticks. Scorpions have an impressive method for catching their grub when hungry. A scorpion will quickly grab its prey. Legends of the lizard iguana. Male iguanas are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They may engage in elaborate displays and aggressive encounters to establish dominance and assist to mates. With proper care, iguanas can live relatively long lives. jumping into lives of Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are found all over the world. In fact, they are known to be found on all continents except Antarctica. The grasshopper fares best in a warm and dry environments and so is often found in meadows and fields. They are also frequently spotted in people's gardens. Animal expedition. Meet the bull. Bulls are powerful and intelligent animals with keen senses and impressive physical strength. They play a significant role in agriculture and have long been symbols of strength. The enigma of black panthers. Black panthers are large felines that come from the big cat family. They have strong and flexible bodies, long tails which give them good balance, and they are powerful hunters with sharp teeth and claws. The black panther is not an individual species of cat. Instead, it can refer to many species. However, the most common black panthers are leopards and jaguars. Join the expedition of majestic cow. Domestic cows, also known as taurine cows, are descendants of wild dogs known as aurochs, and they were first domesticated in southeast Turkey around 10,500 years ago. Cows engage in all forms of play found in mammals, including playing with things such as balls, gamboling, and running. Black and White Chronicles of Zebra. It's thought that the white and black stripes of a zebra help keep them camouflaged, as it can distract and confuse any predators such as lions. Did you know that lions are colorblind? So when they see a herd of zebras, it's confusing as everything is in black and white. They mostly eat grass, but can also eat bark. Now meet the majestic elephant. The elephant is the national animal of Thailand. The intestines of an elephant may be 19 meters in length or more than 60 feet long. Elephants don't drink with their trunks as if it were a straw. Grateful for your time spent watching farm animals, zoo animals, and bugs stuck in the mud. Story time for toddlers episode. Subscribe now for the farm animals, zoo animals, and bugs stuck in the mud. Story time for toddlers adventure, where learning and laughter go hand in hand. Keep watching for more muddy journeys. Bye bye, little buddies.